Hello everyone. Since the closure of 911S5, many users are looking for a good SOC 2 proxy. I would like to say that ABCproxy is the best choice for you to use a residential proxy. Take a look. First, enter our URL and open the website. Home's Christmas campaign is underway. The price is very low. Here are some of the advantages of our proxy service. Click Download to download ABCproxy client. This is our package service. Rotating residential plan and static residential plan. There are 5 packages of services for the rotating residential plan. There are 4 packages of services for the static residential plan. Less than 2 hours until the end of the Christmas offer. This is a very good price. Click Help. Here are some FAQs, user guides and video tutorials. That means if you have any questions, then you can come here first to find the answers. Of course, if you can solve the problem, you can contact us via this email. Also, if you need it, here are some links to the fingerprint browser. Bye.